Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. Are you guys struggling with weak Wi-Fi signals? Don't be panic. Today we will solve your problem in just few minutes. So in today's video we will discuss how to set up Andowl Q-A45 Wi-Fi Extender. If you're looking for the best Wi-Fi extender that easily extend your home Wi-Fi, then this video is specially made for you. Basically, the Andowl Q-A45 Wi-Fi Extender is a 2.4 GHz wireless repeater that extends your existing router's signal and can deliver speeds up to 300 megabits per second. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. I hope in the end, this video will prove helpful. In the first step, plug the Andowl Q-A45 extender into a wall socket near your router. Wait 20 to 30 seconds for the device to power on. The LED indicator will turn on once the extender is ready. Open Wi-Fi settings on your phone or laptop. Look for the extender's default network name such as Andowl_XD. Tap the network and connect to it. Open Chrome/Edge/Safari browser. In address bar type one of these, 192.168.10.1. Press enter. If page not opening, make sure connected to extender Wi-Fi and also turn off mobile data. Login screen appears. Enter username and password, both are admin. Click login. If not working, check sticker on extender. After login you will see options. Click repeater mode or range extender mode. This tells extender to copy your router Wi-Fi. Click scan or search Wi-Fi. List of Wi-Fi networks appears. Find your home Wi-Fi name. Click connect. Make sure correct Wi-Fi chosen. Now type your router Wi-Fi password carefully. Check spelling, check capital letters or don't add extra space. Then click connect/apply/next. Extender will reboot. Wait 1 to 2 minutes. Lights will blink then become stable. Do not unplug during this step. Now go to Wi-Fi settings again. You will see new network like your Wi-Fi name_XD, connect using same Wi-Fi password. Internet should work now. Now setup is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.